Hello, everybody. We're going to wait and see who comes in. It's going to be a short stream. Hopefully, it's a short stream because y'all know my last stream, I kind of went in a little bit, and that a short stream turned into an hour. So y'all know how I can get at times. A short stream will turn into an hour. Although I say it's a short stream, that's the intentions. But we'll wait to see who else comes in here. We will touch on um, we will touch on some positive crypto. A lot of stuff I was talking about 2 days ago about the crypto space. I want everybody to understand um, the importance of. All right. Good morning, RJ. Thanks for tuning in. Just trying to do a little short stream for you all, hopefully. But yeah, I wanted to touch on some of the importance of crypto because I still don't believe a lot of people out there are uh, taking it serious. All right, we look at that crypto market though. Before we talk about that, we are still in the greed. So the good thing about that is, yesterday we were at I think it was 72. Yeah, it was at 72 for the fear and greed index, and now we're at 73. So that is actually a good thing. Usually, when you have markets like this that are kind of bullish, okay, and that's what we're saying with the market cap, the overall crypto market cap being at 1.34 trillion. You usually see a pullback, especially when the market has been bullish for almost a week or more. Okay, but we seem to go from 72 to 73. So market is really strong right now. It's the most bullish market we have. You see Bitcoin is back up at 35K. And there's been a lot going on with BNB, with the Binance, the Smart Chain Network. There's been a lot going on with that network. All right, we talked about XRP yesterday. You can see that it's climbing back up because XRP did take a dip back. It took a step back to 68 cents. Okay. And no, it took a step back to like 66 cents. Now you see it's going back up to 68. So it's trying to hit that 70 mark again. And yeah, BNB, that whole BNB network thing is it's something. It's losing a lot of value. You got a lot of projects that are kind of connected to it. All right. You got a lot of projects that are connected to this that are doing bad. You know, BNB had this whole thing recently where, they have this situation where they're connected to Trust Wallet, and they just developed their own wallet. They have another wallet that they're testing out. So amid that, the Trust Wallet stocks had dropped. Let me see. Trust Wallet. Yeah. So Trust Wallet is kind of on a downswing. The volume is down. The market cap is down. So, and projects like this, look at this right here. And this is what I do, y'all. Don't mind me. I do a lot of this boring work every day. See this right here? This right here is a good example of what's going to happen with a lot of projects. Okay, the individuals are into that are connected to, big entities like this. All right, because of something that's going on with Binance and the BNB network, and certain things and utilities that they are putting out, it's affecting the crypto. And I think a lot of things that are coming back to hurt that network is a lot of negativity, because that we all had a lot of scams that are created on the network or have certain connections with that. Okay, and you're just seeing a lot of price drop. Okay, and you're seeing a lot of projects behind that that are paying for it. All right, so yeah, I wanted to also talk about because yesterday, right, or was 2 days ago when I did the live, I talked a lot about investing into the right projects, and some individuals look past that. All right. Um, and I say that you have to invest into the projects that matter. Okay. And I'm going to keep touching on that so individuals will get it. You have to invest into the projects that matter. Right now is not a time in the crypto space, okay, to be right now it is not time in the crypto space, okay, to just be throwing your money into anything, okay, and throwing your revenue into anything. And the reason why is because now, and remember what I said you have to invest into something that matters. You have to invest into something that the higher entities out there care about. All right. And I will continue to say that you have to invest in something that matters, have to invest in something that has purpose. And I was doing some research yesterday and I seen a lot of articles about big companies that are getting away from, you know, certain spaces. One of the spaces is the NFT space. All right. And it's funny. I was just talking about this. And then it was a main article that came out. I think it was on Yahoo Finance. And it talked about how, uh, big companies, big organizations, corporations, whatever it may be, that has some kind of connection to the NFT space, they're getting out of the NFT space. They have no desire to entertain NFTs. All right. And the reason why is because of all of the fraud that's going on. And this is coming from, Yahoo Finance articles. This is coming from big companies that say they're not interested. They're just not interested in that. And you have seen NFTs value drop over the last year and a half. All right. The values have dropped because a lot of companies that bought into these are getting out. The only thing that NFTs are going to serve a purpose for now for big companies such as Nike, it could be Amazon, whatever it may be, is to draw in customers and give them so that those customers can get certain, incentives. All right, certain incentives, benefits, all of that stuff. So NFT right now is going into a whole different area. All right, it's going into it's going into a whole different space right now. All right, but like I said, y'all, there's still a window. All right, there's still a window for the crypto space when it comes to certain sectors within the crypto space. All right, but that window is closing fast. Okay, and big companies, like I said, have already caught on to. Okay, big companies have already caught on to the schemes and the frauds out here. They're tired of losing money out here. All right, and they want something that's going to be a benefit. And you have a lot of big corporations and that's connected to the NFT space that are saying, hey, they're saying, hey, we want nothing to do with that space because one, we just don't see the value in it. Okay, we don't see the business idea in that, and now, kind of in those spaces, we look at it as selling art. Okay, we look at it as trading, whatever it may be, but you have to have something that's going to cater to the 7 billion people out here. All right, you have to have something that's going to cater to the 7 billion people that are going to add value to them. All right, and when you think about big companies, these are companies that have big followings, and if they bring something aboard onto their platform, they wanted to be able to benefit the people. So if it's not, they're going to drop it. And so that's what we say. That's what I'm here saying. And the thing is, like I told y'all, when you're getting into a project, you get into projects that have the potential to cater to the 7 billion people, not just within the crypto space. Because I told y'all, the crypto space is a small percentage of individuals and a small percentage of investors compared to out there in the universe, the billions of people out there in the universe. All right. Now we're just staying within our own space, and we're trading amongst each other. Okay. And we cannot, do enough to let the floodgates open up to 7 billion people, okay, that does us no good. It's like a dog chasing its tail around. We're like dogs chasing our tails around, okay? Our money and wealth, okay, can only go but so far. So we have to get out of that space, okay? And when you have, when you have situations like we're seeing with the big companies that want nothing to do with not only the NFT space, I mean, the metaverse space is getting a bad rep too, all right? The metaverse space, I'm going to tell y'all like this. The metaverse space is only popular within, okay, our space, which is the crypto space. It's only popular amongst us, and that can only get you but so far because our money as a whole only goes but so far. I mean, we need some of that. We need the consumer. We need the 7 billion consumers, 7 billion people's worth of consumer money. We need that money to pour into crypto in order to build wealth. We can't build wealth just by staying within our own space. And that's what I want individuals to understand. Okay. But like I said, when you have fraud and you have a lot of that stuff going on, this is what you get. All right. That is what you get from the individuals who are, creating or writing those articles over on, Yahoo Finance, crypto news. Okay. All of that stuff, it builds a bad name for the crypto space. All right. And like I said, over the last almost 2 years now, the NFT space has dropped. And when it comes to the metaverse, all right, when it comes to the metaverse, the developers are going to have to be on point because at some point now in the metaverse, certain metaverse sectors are not even going to matter. All right. And so when you have situations or negative situations, impactful situations that a lot of these companies have been seeing with, the metaverse, the NFT space, all of that stuff, it kind of stunts the growth. All right. Because this space has been out for a while now. So we would like to see some growth, but you have scammers coming in and, you have developers with not great intentions because they know that a lot of the consumers, some of the consumers, okay, and I hope I don't offend anybody, but some of the consumers have a hard time thinking for themselves. They go based off what is put out in media, okay? You have some of the consumers that will believe the first thing media say. They'll believe anything media say before they believe what their own parents tell them, before their own mom or pops tell them, all right? And unfortunately, you have a lot of developers that use media to mislead the people, okay? And then you have people that, you have investors that invest into a lot of these projects. And not only do they invest into a lot of the projects, they end up getting taken for a ride, okay? I tell everybody, this is not like some of the content creators who get in early. I'm talking about they get in early while you're still asleep in the bed, okay, before the project even launches. All right. And when it launches and you put your money in, all right, and those big time investors or creators or whatever it is, they're working hand in hand, behind closed doors with the creators. All right. They know when to get out. Okay. But you don't. Okay. A lot of you out there don't. Yeah. You end up getting scammed, which leads to a lot of complaints. All right. And complaints, once they get out into the universe, that's not a good thing. All right. So, both of those spaces, like I said, are losing a lot of value. That's unfortunate. Okay. The Truth Trill, what's up, man? What's so funny? It's good to see you in here. I haven't seen you for a minute, but it's good to see you in here, supporting the channel. All right, but if we look at Saitama, all right, Saitama's at 309. Now, Saitama's having a bit of a pullback. Okay, so we had to expect that. Yesterday it was around 3%, and we can see that the price action is down 6%. Okay, so that's down at least double than what it was. We can see that the market cap is down also, and the volume is down also. Remember yesterday, y'all, we were at like almost 1 million. Okay, we were at like 800K and volume. So that was good to see. All right. But like I said, y'all, this is what we have to expect. All right. So y'all, also when I talked about the window is closing, I talked about Capitol Hill and crypto. Okay. And, Capitol Hill trying to cut down on a lot of the fraud within the crypto space. And what I say is this. So the SEC has been hiring, uh, over the years, the SEC has been trying to hire, okay, crypto experts. Okay. They've been trying to hire the crypto experts. And I'm going to tell you why the window is still open a little bit. And look, this is, in my opinion, it's a bad window because it's that when that window right there, a lot of individuals are going to use that window to do very misleading and unfortunate things, and a lot of crypto investors are going to get caught up in that. All right, but the SEC for some years, well, at least a couple years, have been hiring crypto experts. They're trying to hire crypto experts to keep track of the technology. Okay, the issue right now that they're having, and it's now said that they are struggling right now. They're struggling right now to hire a crypto expert. Now, they were on a roll with it, but they're struggling. One of the reasons they're struggling, because the thing is, the SEC says when they hire crypto experts, okay, those employees cannot own cryptocurrency. Now, that sucks. That sucks a bunch. Okay, to work on Capitol Hill, to work for this big organization, and you can't even own crypto. And we know that in a certain way, if you're not investing into a certain crypto technology or any period, you're doing yourself a disservice, because this is the new technology. This is the new way of the world. I don't care if at the end of the day there's going to be 100 cryptos left or one crypto left. All right, that one crypto is going to be probably more powerful than goddamn Bitcoin. All right, but the SEC is struggling to hire crypto experts, because they're saying, well, if you work for us, you cannot own cryptocurrency. Okay, so now you got a lot of the younger crowds, okay, with their college degrees and all of this stuff. They're pulling back. They're saying, you know what, we don't even want that. We don't even want to work for the SEC. And the thing is, you have some experts that were working for them that are now leaving. So now that window is still open, okay, for individuals to make money within the crypto space. And I hope that if you're doing that, or you making your money into the crypto space, that you are I hope that you're doing it the right way. Okay, I hope that you are doing it the right way and not using this window like a lot of other scammers and a lot of other developers out there to come in and create projects, okay, and mislead the people and take their hard-earned money. All right, let me look at some. Sorry, y'all know me. When I get to talking, I can just go. It says, "Man, I've been working." Hey, everybody's been working. I mean, that's all you can do at times, until something new comes along, until something until something that you're working on or developing, okay, comes to light. All right. It says working and investing, and I still have my 40,000 Saitama. I haven't bought anymore yet. Hey, as long as you got some kind of skin in the game, man, there's nothing wrong with that, because you have to understand that the crypto space is still early. All right. It's still early, and hopefully what you're investing in now, okay, will pay off in the end, not just with Saitama, but other projects also. Now, I told y'all the trend right now is blue collar cryptos. Okay, and I got some nasty messages in my inbox and my Twitter yesterday about me talking about meme coins, and I just don't understand. I don't understand why when people hear me talk, are they actually listening to what I'm saying? All right, I just now sit here and broke down what big companies and organizations have been talking about. All right, I just broke down what they have been talking about. Articles. Y'all go on Yahoo Finance and find those articles. All right, about how they have no interest in memes, they have no interest in NFTs, and they have no interest in now the metaverse is taking a hit. All right, and now when it comes to Capitol Hill, and when it comes to big organizations, if you're a developer coming out and you're presenting metaverse material, the first thing these companies are going to be saying, okay, what can I do for my people? What can I do for the company? What can I do for my people? And a lot of developers out here, besides, talking low value, okay, on a project that, they're creating, okay, it's not going to work. All right. It's not going to work. Hey, First Man, great to see you in. It says got 2 jobs off 2 days. Hey man, you gotta do what you can do, okay, until your financial and your job situations. You got to do what you can do until things get better. And the thing is, they eventually get better as long as you continue to work towards greatness, and you work towards wealth. All right. And the thing is this, like I said, if you work, me, I'm all about business. If you can get a business, that's good. But the thing is this also, I do understand the 9 to 5 side of things. If you're working a 9 to 5, okay, the best thing you can do, okay, while you wait, is use the 9 to 5 as a vehicle to invest. You have a lot of individuals, right? They're working 9 to 5. They're paying off. They're paying the bills. After they pay their bills, they got a little bit left over, and a lot of them start rewarding themselves. Okay, they start rewarding themselves like, man, I've worked hard. I done paid these bills. I'm about to reward myself. Okay, and then we're back to square one trying to get money. But the thing is, where some people go wrong in the 9 to 5 spaces, that they don't use that money to build wealth. Now, like I said, some individuals, you can't look at a lot of content creators out here. And like I said, some content creators, they'll put on a screen of what they invested in, spending thousands of dollars, all of that stuff. The thing is, you have to start somewhere. You have to understand that some of those content creators had to start small too. So if you got a 9 to 5, okay, and you got something left over, at least put something into investing, okay? And put, whether it's stocks, whether it's crypto, whatever it may be. Put something in investing. You don't have to put thousands of dollars in. Put about, I don't care if it's $5, okay? That $5 and share, $5 worth of shares is better than having 0 shares, okay, and 0 value. All right, because like I said, y'all, we are early into the crypto space. All right, so you got to start somewhere, and the thing is, you have to be consistent with it. Okay, you have to be consistent with it. It says, are you still holding 4th star? I think a lot of those I did in the Patreon. I think I did update the list. I think that's one that I'm not holding anymore. And I think I did update that list in my Patreon of a lot of everything I'm holding and a lot of what I have sold. But I think that is one that I have. If I'm not mistaken, it may be I sold that and some other ones that were related to like gaming and all that. But a lot of projects that I have sold, like I said, I don't invest into main projects anymore. I do think I did sell that one a while back. But like I said, y'all, I'm all right now on. I am all on blue collar cryptos. I'm all on the cryptos that is circulating around Capitol Hill and circulating around the financial and service based sectors. Okay, so it said, no, we good. We made it. Well, it's almost 2024. And yes, I have other coins, like 15 different ones. Yeah, it's almost 2024. 2024, y'all, is going to be, well, it shaping up for success. Okay, it's shaping up to be a good year, 2024, and some of the projects in 2024 will be in their fourth year. 2024 also will be when we get a new presidency, when we get a new administration into the White House. Okay, and you know, there are certain administrations that are for certain crypto situations, and that's what a lot of people are anticipating, that not whoever gets in, but they're hoping that if we get someone in on the other side, not the side that we're on right now. All right. And I don't want to say too much about that because YouTube been tripping and blocking pages and shutting down pages and all of that stuff. But they're saying that if we get away from the side we're on now and we get someone on the other side, okay, that crypto is going to have a bigger chance. A lot of these we're still going to have regulations, but it's not going to be it's just going to be a whole different agenda, I think, that has the potential to benefit the consumer. All right. Right now, when you look at what Capitol Hill wants out of crypto, I think that Capitol Hill wants to benefit Capitol Hill and the higher ups. All right. Now, I could be wrong about the other one. I mean, they could just be telling us what they want us to hear. But 2024 is supposed to be much anticipated when it comes to crypto. Because I know people are saying, well, the bull market is going to be 2024, but you have to understand everything is still controlled. Okay. I know that I said that the SEC is struggling to hire crypto experts, but they still somewhat have control over the crypto space. And this is the most control that they've had in a while. Okay. But it is supposed to be most anticipated. It is supposed to be anticipated that there's going to be a new administration on the other side on Capitol Hill, in the House. Okay. And that the consumer will benefit greatly from the newer administration because, like I said, it's just a different agenda right now. All right, but that's good to see that you're holding 15 other coins. So you're diversifying. All right. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with staking. Staking is still good. Staking, I think, is something that will withstand the test of time, basically because it's a utility that offers. It's a utility, right? That offers value to the masses. Okay, it's just like if you're investing into stocks and you're getting dividends. You're getting something back, y'all. You're getting something back from a dividend, whether it's quarterly or monthly. And then you have this popular thing right now. I try to give y'all as much value as I can. All right. You have this popular thing now where individuals in the stock market, they're investing in the stock market. They're investing into things like REITs and all of that stuff, real estate assets. Okay, they're REITs. I think it's what REITs. They are investing into those, and a lot of these REITs are REITs that are some of those give you monthly. But the most popular is you get quarterly dividends, okay? But you have some of them, which is some of these investment stocks, they give you monthly dividends or monthly returns, okay? Anything of that like that is a good thing. Now, imagine if you're investing or you come up on some money like 10K, 25K, okay, or whatever it is, you just come up on some money that you can dump into something that's going to give you a return. All right, let's just say if you invested $20,000, right, into some investment REITs, okay, on the stock market, that gave you in those amount of stocks, okay, that you bought, gave you about $1,200 to $1,500 a month, okay, in returns. All right, what you pay 10K or 15K, all right, or 20K, okay, to, I don't know if y'all can hear me. I think I froze up. I may have froze up. But just imagine, right? Let me see. Can y'all see me? Somebody put in the comments if they can hear me. Okay, I may have froze up. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Hopefully it pops back up. I think I done froze up.